Today we're doing how to install our Invisa-shield NANO hull coating on a boat, how you use it and how to do it. So this is the instructional video that you watch before you apply. So this hull on this boat is already prepped and ready for us to apply the coating to. So it's already been polished, stripped of any waxes and sealants or whatever else is needed to do, acid washed or whatever has to be done to make it so it's perfect. So a couple tools that you can use. One is the foam roller, which is going to be your main tool. The other one is going to be just a microfiber applicator pad, pretty simple. And then the other one is going to be our Invisa-shield NANO. This is an 8-ounce bottle. 8 ounces will do a 40-foot boat or a little more. That'll include the back of the boat, lower parts of the motors, trim tabs and whatnot. And we have the sprayer in here. So pull the trigger a couple times to prime the sprayer. It'll spray. I'm going to actually start down here on a lower part of the boat so that I can prime my foam roller, which the instructions will tell you to do. So we're going to get started and prime the roller. So I'm going to spray on a decent amount of material down here. And you're going to get several sprayers with the kit because the sprayer might not make it all the way through the application. So I'm going to go ahead and start spreading this out, which will prime my roller. Gets the roller ready to go. And we want to get the roller good and saturated so that we're getting a good even coverage when we get up to the higher parts of the boat. It's about as easy as it can be to apply. I mean, all you're doing is basically rolling it on. That's really it. It will self-level for the most part. You just want to back roll over it and make sure everything is really smooth. I'm going to do a little bit more here before I go ahead and move to the front of the boat, and we'll move up there. But like I said, this is very, very easy to do. It's not difficult at all. Anyone can do it. It should take us about 40 minutes to do the entire hull on both sides. And I recommend getting a creeper, like a mechanic would have, to do the bottom of the boat. That works very, very well. So, okay, so at this point, my roller's pretty well saturated, and it's going on very even, and it looks great. So we're gonna move up to the front of the boat here, and we'll show you guys a little bit better camera angle up here on the front of the boat. So let's move over to here a little bit and see if you guys can see. So here we have metal that meets the hull. So what you can do for that is actually use your foam pad. I'm going to spray some on the pad, and then I'm going to go ahead and go around the metal. You can also use this on the metal if you want to. It's extremely durable. And then you just leave it. You do not wipe it off. This stuff goes on and stays on. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and work our areas down here. You can see it's being sprayed on. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and roll it out. All you're doing is spreading it out, rolling on even coverage. That's it. Very, very, very easy to work with. Very simple to do, extremely durable. This coating will be about 300 microns thick, so it is an insanely durable 10H coating. And you can see where you're going, there's no question about that. And you're basically just going to work down the hull. I'll go back and back roll any areas that I think I have too much on there, and you can see where you have a lot on. But again, this is very, very basic stuff, guys. Nothing special here. This stuff will stay very shiny and very glossy. Very easy to use. If you want to do a recoat, about 4 to 6 hours is your recoat window. Up to 8 hours, depending on where you are, possibly, depending on temperature. And you can see how nice and even that went on. How nice and shiny it is. You can see where you've went. And that's really it. I would continue this process through the whole boat. 2 guys, it'll probably take about 40 minutes. Again, this is our Invisa-shield NANO. This is our hull coating for boats. It goes on crystal clear and it will become glossy. Super protective for the bottom of your boat. It's clear, it's not ugly. Man, this thing's the best. We put them on pretty much every boat we do, and we do a lot of boats. So it's called Invisa-shield NANO. Guys, grab it on our website. It's an amazing product.